So last time I've done a video before the refurbishment of this property was done. Now it's completed, so I would like to go through with you and show you the outcome. So if you follow me, we have repainted completely, including the storages inside. They were quite moldy previously. Now we repainted the shelves as well. Then living room. Previously it was kind of magnolia color. We went for white. White is quite neutral, so we decided to go for white. So white, it goes all over the property. We replastered some of the areas. We also changed the vent, because previously it was all covered up. When we took out, it wasn't nice, so we installed a new one on top of it, so it looks nice. It's quite spacious. We've corrected all the skirting boards because they were really damaged, and then there was some mold as well. We redone the parapets as well. We sanded them down and then painted so they're nice and even. It basically looked nice and fresh. On the ceiling at that time we had some cracks, so we've done this as well. Then if you follow in here, the built-in cupboards, they also are really moldy and not really nice. So we had limited budget, so we only repainted. On the floor we put some vinyl. So we basically cut the cost to the minimum. Here as well we repainted, we put some vinyl in. A bedroom, again we painted. We had to cut off some of the areas of the wallpaper because it was coming off, so we took it off, and then in that places we replastered and then nicely painted. This storage, this built-in wardrobe storage, if you remember, it was really not looking nice at all. Now we cut the laminated floor off, we put some vinyl in, and then we painted just to make it nice and fresh. Then the other bedrooms are exactly the same. So this one was repainted completely. The change from magnolia to white, it just gives a completely different image of the property. It looks nice and fresh, and it looks bigger as well. This is a medium-sized double room, and actually I've been taking photographs earlier, and on photos it looks even bigger than it is. This is what white color normally does. It just makes the property looking bigger. So in here again, like the most problems that we had with in the bedrooms were that the wallpaper was coming off underneath of the radiator, so this was redone. And then also all the pipes have been painted and the skirting. We changed the vents here as well, just to look good. This cupboard was quite bad. Now it's nicely painted. The wardrobe is repaired, so sliding now. Those doors were completely off. So there wasn't a need to change to brand new. We made the most from what we could, and it worked. So this is the biggest improvement. So we redone the bathroom completely. So I don't know, on the previous video you will see that those tiles were coming off. This wall was, like the full bathroom was tiled, and old white tiles, and so we took it off. We had some surprises, of course, as always. After the tiles were taken off, the walls were really damaged because there were some leak. When the grout was cracked and people were using, water was going behind, so it actually damaged the walls quite badly. But then we redone it, and we were going to put tiles only around the sink and up, but actually we managed to do the whole wall. Our contractor done a really good job actually. And then again, because the budget was limited, we went for the vinyl on the floor, but that looks really good, and the bathroom looks really presentable. Grey and white I really like. I think grey and white is like an old Magnolia style. In the past, Magnolia was really like trendy. Now white and grey I'm calling it a new Magnolia. In the toilet we only really repainted. We changed the covers. This is a little bit of only refreshment, to be honest. And then when we go to the kitchen, in the kitchen we've done only repairs, and then we repainted. So if you remember, those tiles were coming off. Now they are repaired. Kitchen's been repainted, so it's looking good. I was saying, sorry. So previously I was saying that we will try to increase this rent from 1,380 to 1,680. Actually, after the refurb, we decided we are going to put on the market for 1,750 with the offers accepted of 1,700. So landlord will increase the rent by at least £320, which will pay the refurb in about 1 year time. So I always recommend to do the work before property is put on the market. This money that we will get on the increased rent will pay for the refurbishment, and after a year the rent will continue to be higher, so the revenue in this property has increased quite well. So I'm pleased with it, and we will be advertising it now, and hopefully it will be let within next few days. We already got some viewings booked, so let's see how it goes. Thank you.